you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Stylevana products to use for August. Do you want to know what I'll be using this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this box just arrived for August. Stylevana did send these to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me your amazing products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, Stylevana could be your one-stop shopping for everything and anything that you would need K-beauty and J-beauty related. They have so much amazing skincare, sunscreens, makeup. They have so many different products, and you can shop with them being rest assured that everything is going to be coming authentic. They package everything so well and nothing's going to come broken. They do have fast shipping, and you can use my code INF10 SheCrafty, and that will give you 10 to 15% off depending on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout. They also have a low threshold when it comes to free shipping. So if you want to check them out, again, they will all be linked down below, and INF10 SheCrafty will save you that 10 to 15% off. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what I'm going to be using for the month of August. I love seeing what they send, what brands they are, what type of products they are, and I just love me some skincare. I'm a skincare host, so I just love skincare. So when you first open it up, this is what it looks like. Again, they take so much pride in packaging all of their products. Nothing is going to be damaged or broken or anything like that. Well, none of mine has so far anyway. All right, so now that I've dumped all of the products in front of me, let's go ahead and just go one by one and see what we have. So the first thing is right here, and this is the Madagascar Centella Tea Trica BHA foam. This is by Skin 1004. I really love this brand. So let's see, it says this creamy foam cleanser contains tea tree leaf water and BHA to gently exfoliate dense skin cells that clog pores and leave the skin soft and clean. Nice. How to use: apply an appropriate amount onto the palms and rub together to create a foam. Gently massage onto the face and rinse with lukewarm water. So like any normal foaming cleanser, that is how you would use this. Put it on your face, rub it around, and then rinse with warm water. Again, I absolutely love this brand, so I'm so excited to try out this foaming cleanser. I've never tried a foaming cleanser from them, so I'm so excited. So that is what it looks like right there when you open it up, and you just pour it out, put it on your face, and you're good to go. Next, we have this from the same brand. This is the Madagascar Centella Probio Essence Toner, again from Skin 1004. I just love this brand, so I'm so excited. So here is the actual toner. I have used this one before and I absolutely love it. So here is the toner. Just like any toner, after you are cleansed, I always do a double cleanse. So once you have a nice clean face, you use the toner first, and then you go ahead and start whatever skincare routine you would like. But after cleansing is the toning, and then whatever you want to do. So that is awesome. So I'm going to use this as my cleanser and then use this as my toner, and I'm so excited. I love using the same brand as well. So next up we have is the Centella Unscented Serum. This is by Probio. I really love this brand as well. So this is what the packaging looks like. And then when we open it up, that is what is on the inside. This is a nourishing formula free of fragrance and essential oils, helps to restore the skin's barrier. This serum soothes skin and improves moisture levels. Lovely. I love a good moisture, so that's awesome. So on here, does it say how to use? Directions. After cleansing and toning, pump 1 to 2 times and spread over entire face and neck, gently patting to help absorption. So just like normal serum, after you cleanse and you tone, put your serum on, and then if you have a moisturizer to put on after, you can do that. So that's what I normally do, is a serum and then a moisturizer. Up next, and I really love this one. This is the Centella Calming Gel Cream by iUnic. I don't think I have any more of this one left. I like that this one has the calming gel. Like when I'm outside and I'm in too much sun and I come in and my face is like a bright tomato, I grab anything that's for calming to kind of help my skin. And this is one that I would use all the time. And again, I think I'm completely out, so this is amazing to get it again. I really, really like this one. So again, once I come in after cleaning my face, I like to use a calming cream. It just makes my skin feel so, so good. And it just helps soothe all that irritation from the sun and everything that's going on. So I really, really, really enjoy this. This light and moisturizing gel cream can help to make sensitive skin blemish calming and relief with Centella leaf water and tea tree leaf water from Skin Stress. So again, I use it for like sun exposure, but if you have blemishes or anything like that, it'll help soothe that as well. So it's just a nice soothing gel for your face. And it says directions: after using basic toner, apply a suitable amount of cream, rub along skin texture from inside to outside, letting to absorb. So there you go. There's that. Next we have, it says goodbye blackhead, circle pore control, no sebum powder. I've never seen this little guy before. Let's get this open and see what it is or how we use this. So this is how it looks when you first open up the packaging. You twist it, yep, you twist open. It does have like a little poofer puff right there. And then you peel that to open it and you have all that powder down there. Let's see, how is this used? Okay, so on here, there's nothing in here in English that tells me how to use it. I understand it's a powder, so you'd probably just put it on your face like you would a normal like powder, probably for where you have trouble zones on acne. But the great thing is, if you ever have a product that doesn't say how to use it where you can understand, or if you've already thrown the packaging out and you find something and you're like, how do I use this again? Or which step do I use this again? All you have to do is go to their website, go to their search bar, type in that product, and then when you're on that product's page, scroll underneath the photo and the pricing, and then underneath it will say like more information, like how to use, what it's used for. So you can click those drop downs, it'll open it up and it'll tell you what it's used for and how to properly use the product. So that's what I will do to find out how to use this. But again, it sounds like it's just something simple that you just pat on your blemishes. This product can actually be used in 4 different ways. You can use it in the last stage of your daily skincare routine. Use the powder puff to gently apply into the entire face or the concerned areas. You may also use it in the last stage of makeup or desired throughout the day when shine becomes a concern. You can use it on your forehead or your hairline when it becomes oily. Or instead of using blotting papers, you can just use this product. And it definitely left my face nice and shine free. So we do have that product right there. Next, we do have a sunscreen, and I am all for protecting our skin. I always tell you guys that skin cancer is huge in my family. So this is like #1 important to me because I need to protect my skin so I don't have issues in the future. So I'm always all for a good sunscreen. This is a SPF 50+, PA++++, and it's also vegan, and it's a moisturizing sun cream. So when we open this up, that is what it looks like down there. And I love these sizes because you can just drop them down anywhere, in your car, in your backpack, in your purse, in your kid's backpack, in your gym bag, in your lake bag, wherever you want. This is just a nice little size that can go everywhere with you. So you have that one. And then we have another sunscreen, which this is vegan sunscreen as well. It's SPF 50+, PA++++, with UV protection. Yay, we have 2 sunscreens. You guys, we definitely need to protect our skin. And I love that packaging. I like that teal that goes around right there. This one I might actually put in my new purse because I got a new concealed carry purse that has this teal color. So I might put this one in that purse because then it will match. I like things matching. What can I say? So there is the second sunscreen for this month. Again, especially right now being in the summer, protect our skin, you guys. Protect your skin. Protect your skin. I cannot say that enough. You'll thank me later. So everything that they sent for me to use for this month is going to be the 2 different sun creams. Definitely, I'm all for. You have the serum, you have the calming gel cream, you have the toner, you have this acne blemish powder, and then the foaming cleanser. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything that they sent for me to use for August 2023. What do you think of these products? What do you think of Stylevana? I love Stylevana, especially all of the different products that they have to offer. You can even go to their search and search by product. Like if I tell you the Skin 1004 is one of my top favorite brands, you can go and find that and see all of the products that they have. So it's easy to navigate through their site if you want to use like their searches or just search for a specific company, that kind of thing. You can definitely do that. And INF10 SheCrafty will save you that 10 to 15% off your entire cart based on what is accumulated at checkout. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.